Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy WooCommerce products from one store to multiple stores in just a single click using Shopcentral. Whether you want to push existing products from your main store to your connected stores, or manage products across multiple WooCommerce stores, this video will show you exactly how it works. So let's get started. First, let me show you how to copy existing products from your main store to your connected stores using the Push Products feature. Before you can push products, you need to install the Shopcentral plugin from WordPress plugin repository and connect your destination stores from the Shopcentral/Stores menu. If you haven't connected your stores yet, I've already made a separate video showing how to add multiple WooCommerce stores and manage them from a single dashboard. You'll find the link in the video description. Now, go to Shopcentral and click on Products. Here, you'll see your product listing. Select the products you want to copy by checking the checkboxes. You can select a single product or multiple products at once. Once you've selected your products, click the Push Products button. This will open the Push Products modal. The modal has a simple two-column layout. On the left side, you'll see all your connected stores. You can select individual stores or click Select All to push the products to all connected stores at once. You'll also see a badge showing the total number of stores you've selected. On the right side, you can choose exactly which product data you want to sync. You can sync price, stock, description, images, categories, and tags. By default, all options are selected, but you can easily uncheck any option you don't want to sync. At the top, you'll also see a warning alert with a pre-sync checklist. Before starting the sync, make sure your destination stores meet these requirements. For example, WooCommerce must be active. REST API keys must be properly configured. Your permalink structure should be set to post name. Security plugins should not block REST API requests, and your store URL should not have a slash at the end of the URL. Once everything is ready, click Start Sync. Shopcentral will now push the selected products to your chosen stores sequentially. You'll be able to see the progress as each store is processed. Once the sync is complete, Shopcentral will show you the results for each store. You can see which stores were successfully synced and which ones failed. And you'll get detailed product-level results so you can see exactly which products were synced successfully and which products encountered an error. If a product fails to sync, Shopcentral will also display the relevant error message, making it easier to identify and fix the issue. And that's it! You now know how to copy WooCommerce products from one store to multiple stores using Shopcentral. With just a few clicks, you can select your products, choose your destination stores, select the data you want to sync, and push everything directly from your central dashboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Shopcentral tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.